Hello everyone, so topic name is all to one reduction. So what happens in this all to one reduction is like the purpose of this is to combine all the data from all the processor into a single result at one processor. So right now like multiple processor has different data, so we have to combine all that into a single result at one processor. So let us understand how we are doing that and what steps are being done. So here you can see we have to like the column step 1, node number, reduction operation and data at respective nodes. So currently we will take the one step. So right now we'll take the reduction operation as it will like P1 will go to P0. So here you can see each processor also has a value. So right now you can see P0 has 11 value, P1 has 12, then 13, then 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Each node has its own value or data, we can say. So we will take the first step as P1 will give the data to P0. So the value of them is 12 and 11. So we'll add them and we'll give the combined value to P0. So you can see here, so P1 value and P0 value is added and we'll store that at the P0. Similarly we'll do this for P3 to P2 and P4 to P5 and P7 to P6. So here we'll do P5 to P4. So you can see here like in P2 as well we have added like the step we are doing is P3 to P2, P5 to P4, P7 to P6, and similarly we have added and stored the values at P0, P2, P4 and P6. So here are like all the respective data of all the nodes which we saw in this diagram as well. So these are the current values of each node and we performed right now. Like you can see the value for P0, P2, P4 and P6 is changed. So in the next step we will change or update the values for these respective nodes. So in step 2 you can see that the value for P0 is 23, which was the previous value, and for P1 is the same value which did not change. Similarly for P2 it is changed, P3 it's same, P4 and like till for all the nodes we have updated from the previous value. Then again in the P2 step we'll do is like we'll go from P2 to P0 and we'll go from P6 to P4. So these are the two steps we'll do in the step 2. So you can see the value for P2 is 13 and value for P0 is 11, but here is 11, but we will not take this value, we will take the updated value. So you can see that the updated value is 23. So P2 plus P0 will get the value as 50. So similarly we'll do for P6 to P4 and we get the value as 66. As you can see P6 value is 35 and P4 value is 31. So we'll add them and we'll get the value as 66. So we'll store the P4 value or like we'll update the value of P4 as 66 and P0 value as 50. So we will see that in the step 3 the updated value. So you can see in the step 3 like we have updated value of P0 and we have to also updated value of P4 and like we have took this value from the previous step. So in P4 will do is like we'll go from P4 to P0. So you can see in the diagram as well we are going from step P4 to P1. So value for P4 and P2 P0 will get added and will get one value. So we can see here like the addition of this is 116 and this is a like combined or the sum of all the nodes. So P0 is the processor or the node which is storing all the result of the sum of, and so this is how it is performed and we can see that result of the sum at node P0 by all to one reduction method we get the value as 116. So this is how like all to one reduction is performed. It is quite very opposite to the one to all broadcast where we are spreading one message to all, but here we are combining all the message to one processor. This is how it works. Thank you for watching.